This is the final part of the semester-long project you've been working on. As you usually do, fill out this section with your name and section. But unlike you've done in the past, you will actually give yourself a grade from 0 to 70 and put that grade here. We trust you, but just want to remind you to be honest in the evaluation of your work. Your grade comes from what you've done all semester. It should be based on your daily, weekly effort, not on how well you developed the desired attribute. Use this rubric when assigning yourself a grade. If you did the 2 hours each week and honestly tried to accomplish your goal, give yourself a perfect score. If you didn't fulfill the 2 hours a week, take off some points accordingly. Two important things to remember is don't be too hard on yourself, but also don't be dishonest. Now, the last thing is to fill out the actual document. It's pretty straightforward. What did you do? This one doesn't need to be more than 3 or 4 sentences. What did you learn or gain? No set limit on this one, but typically one big paragraph or 2 small ones can do the trick. And why should you get this grade? About an average paragraph should be good on this one. Then paste your tracking mechanism here at the bottom of the page, if possible. If it's a separate document like a Word or Excel file, type here that it's a separate document and email it as an attachment to brothergoodmansta@gmail.com. If it's a paper copy and you turned it in class, type that you turned it in class here. Of course, we'll always give you points for turning one in as a separate file or paper form, but if we don't see anything in this section, we will initially assume that you didn't turn one in. So please type a note for us here so that if that is the case, we don't accidentally miss it. That's it.